What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to Tech Intro, your guide to the best tech picks. In 2025, your monitor is either your greatest asset or your biggest bottleneck. Video editors and colorists, you know the pain. Crushed blacks, laggy timeline scrubs, and just guessing if your color is right. This year, display tech has exploded. We have brilliant QD-OLEDs, ultra-bright mini LEDs, and the new king of contrast, IPS Black. Today, we're cutting through the noise. This is our countdown of the top 5 best 4K monitors for video editing in 2025, plus 2 expert bonus picks. This isn't just a list, it's your new workflow. Kicking off our list, BenQ MOBIUZ EX321UX. This is the Bright Room HDR beast. If you edit with any natural light, this is your monitor. Its 1,152 local dimming zones and VESA Display HDR 1000 rating mean you see every detail in your highlights and shadows. Plus, its factory-calibrated sRGB and Display P3 modes balance HDR brilliance with the color accuracy you need. The trade-off? Slightly less perfect black levels than an OLED, but for a Bright Room HDR workflow, this mini LED is unbeatable. At number 4, BenQ PD3225U DesignVue, the monitor is built for the Apple ecosystem. This display is tailored for MacBook users with BenQ's M-Book mode for a seamless color match. It's also a colorist's tool, featuring uniformity compensation and the intuitive hotkey puck for one-click switching between color spaces. The trade-off? Its 85-watt Thunderbolt 3 port is less powerful than Dell's 140-watt standard, but for pure color accuracy and a flawless Mac workflow, this is the purist's choice. Coming in at number 3, the Dell UltraSharp U3225QE is the new definition of a smooth workflow. This monitor's killer feature is its 120 Hz refresh rate. Timeline scrubbing and playback feel buttery fluid. It combines that with an IPS Black panel for deep shadow detail, 99% DCI-P3 color, and a monster 140-watt Thunderbolt 4 hub to power even a 16-inch MacBook Pro. The trade-off? It's a premium monitor with a premium price, but it's the most future-proof 4K monitor on our list. At number 2, ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27 UCDM. Ignore the gaming tag. This QD-OLED panel is a colorist's dream. Its power is infinite contrast. Each pixel is its own light source, meaning perfect, true blacks with zero blooming. It's factory calibrated, delta E less than 2, letting you see every subtle detail in your log footage. For HDR or cinematic color grading, this is your mini reference monitor. The trade-off? The 27-inch size limits timeline space, but as a dedicated grading or preview monitor, it's unbeatable. And our number 1 pick, the best video editing monitor of 2025 isn't 4K. It's the Dell UltraSharp U3224KB. This is the ultimate monitor for a 4K editor, and the logic is undeniable. Its 6K resolution means you can view your 4K footage at a perfect 1:1 scale, and still have over 2K of screen real estate left over for your timeline, scopes, and bins. This is a complete workflow game changer. You get that massive workspace on an IPS Black panel, flawless color, and a 140-watt Thunderbolt 4 hub, turning your desk into a one-cable creative workstation. The trade-off? It lacks the high-end HDR support of the OLED or mini LED. This monitor is built for the most pristine and efficient SDR editing workflow on the planet. But wait, we have 2 expert bonus picks. If you jump between photography and video, get the ASUS ProArt PA279 CRV. It's Calman verified, covers 99% DCI-P3 and 99% Adobe RGB, and has a 96-watt USB-C hub. A reliable, color-accurate all-rounder, the Dell UltraSharp U2723QE. This was the monitor that introduced IPS Black. It's still one of the most dependable 27-inch 4K monitors for editors who value pixel density and proven reliability. And there you have it, the best 4K monitors for video editing in 2025. So what's the final verdict? For the ultimate 6K workflow, Dell U322 4KB. For HDR color grading, ASUS OLED. For the perfect Mac-Centric workflow, BenQ PD3225U. Which monitor is right for your edit bay? Let me know in the comments. At Tech Intro, we cut through the marketing to bring you the logic. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dive tech guides every week. This is Tech Intro, where clarity meets creativity. Thanks for watching.